I hope you guys enjoyed that small little edit. Actually, I didn't want to talk while getting the work done because I wanted to focus and I wanted it to be perfect. So I just went for a small edit for you guys. Now I am in a parking garage. Now I'm going to do a little startup. So the valve is open right now. Let's do the startup. Now let's close the valve. Now let's go back home. What is up guys, so we are back home now. It was a fun drive back. Now let's talk about everything in details. For those of you who don't know and are actually new to my channel, I have a complete headback exhaust on my car, but it was not loud enough for me. So yeah, I wanted it to be loud, but not all the times because it's my daily driven, so I don't want to get in trouble and it will become a headache for me to drive such a loud car. So, actually, I don't have any cats on this exhaust anyways, just a muffler and a resonator. A few months back, I removed the resonator and it sounded nuts. But again, I couldn't drive it like that because it was getting obvious and I didn't want to get into trouble with the cops. So I had to get it back on. But that day I decided I will get a loud exhaust, but I didn't know how, so I found this way to make it loud when I wanted it to. So now let's talk about everything and how much I actually paid for this. Basically, I got it installed before the resonator and just after the headers, so that's why it is so loud, because it's running on open headers. But originally my plan was to get it after the resonator. Anyways, I can make it quiet whenever I want, so why not make it very loud. The wiring comes through a drain plug under the mat and to the cigarette lighter, and the wiring have been zip tied to the hard lines which opens the trunk. Also, the guys at Automech were kind enough to make me a custom stainless steel elbow which dumps the gases down if in case it shoots flame, that it might and I obviously didn't want the flames to go onto my body, so they made me a custom stainless steel elbow which I'll show you, so that it dumps the gases downward. So let me show you from down how it actually looks. So here is that custom 3-inch stainless steel elbow and it goes just after the headers. So let me do a startup for you guys. I can't just get over it, how amazing this sounds and how obnoxious this is. I love it. Okay, so for the wiring, so it comes from under through the mat and up here. Here is all the wire and it plugs inside the cigarette lighter. So this is a lot of wire, I need to tidy it up a bit. I have completed the wiring. Now you cannot see any exposed wiring. These two sockets, this one is for my footwell light and this one is the exhaust cutoff. You cannot probably see it goes back. From there it goes down under. Now everything looks neat. By the way, I bought this new gear knob, but I'll be changing this a bit because I don't like silver and I don't have any silver thing on my car. I'm not a very big chrome fan, so I'll be changing this a bit and I'll save it for a later video. But for now, everything is inside now, and In case if you were wondering, I have paid just 900 rupees, that is like 10 to $12, and for the cutoff I bought it from AliExpress. I bought it for $50. Actually the price was $30, but I had to pay shipping $20, that is like 3,200 in Indian currency. And a huge shout out to the guys at Automech because they treated me well and I'm thoroughly satisfied. And in case if you want to buy the exhaust cutoff, I'll put the links in the description. Well, that was pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, 30 likes, and I'll do a full video for you guys. So go like this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I'll appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay savage.